I'm working with this one client on their social media, and they have been consistently posting specifically on Instagram. They've been really good about selfie videos, but as we started to work together, the very first thing that I do is I pull data. As we pull data, I can see that their metrics are not exactly where they want them to be. So we agreed it was time to make a change. One of the first things that I told them to do is they have to add a title, a text on top of the video that explains what this video is about, so that as their target audience, as their followers come across that video, they know within 3 seconds or less exactly what this video is about, and then they can determine whether or not they want to invest the time to watch the video. So I had this company, I said, hey, we need to start adding these titles. Well, they added the titles, which was great, but it still didn't give me this full idea of what the video was about. I'm like, we need more verbiage here. We need more explanation as to what this video truly is about. So then we started adding even more verbiage to the titles on top of the videos. No lie, we went from like 20, 30 views to 2,000 views just by making the tweak. I remember she sent me a screenshot of it one night and sent it to me and was like, are you kidding me? Like, this is all I needed to do? I was like, yeah. It's the details. It's honestly the details that are going to make or break you.